I don't know.
Ladies, wherever you go.
No, what? This one, this one.
Please remove your hat.
Thank you.
A151 to Auckland.
So we're just boarding business.
Okay, so.
Yeah, that's okay. Just
So, let's talk about the first day in Bali. I landed this morning. I walked my way up to Kuta, to the hostel, very central. Nothing, just rested a little bit and came up to the beach for the sunset and a nice coconut. So, let's talk about money. Beside the flight, the only expenses that I had were the hostel. It was, how much was it? It was 10 Australian dollars. The SIM card for the data for the mobile phone, it was 170 K rupiah. That is about 17 Australian dollars approximately. So beside internet that is gonna last for the entire month, 8 gigabytes of data, the life, even if it's a very touristic place, life is pretty cheap. Tomorrow I'm gonna stay just one night in Kuta because it's very touristic, and then moving to Canggu tomorrow morning. But beside that, hey, it's Bali.